Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Azar app. First, install the Azar app from the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on the device you are using. Once it is installed, open the app. You will need to log in before you can start using it. You can sign in with your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple ID. Choose the one that is easiest for you. After logging in, the app will take you to the main interface where you will see several options at the bottom of the screen. The first option is called Video Chat. This is the main feature of the Azar app. In this section, you can start a video chat with random people from around the world. The app will automatically connect you to someone, but you can also choose the country or region you want to connect with. There is also an option to select the gender of the people you want to meet. Once connected, you can start talking through live video and decide if you want to continue chatting or move on to the next person. The next section is called Live. In this part of the app, users from different countries go live and stream themselves in real time. You can watch their live videos, comment in the chat, and send them gifts if you like. It's a place where you can meet new people and interact with different communities. Another feature is called Lounge. In the Lounge section, you will see profiles of people who are also using the Azar app. You can look through their profiles, follow them, and start chatting directly with them. This section is useful if you prefer to make friends by looking at profiles rather than through random video chats. Overall, the Azar app is a fun way to meet new people from all over the world. Thanks for watching.